Well, February is Heart Health Month, a time to raise awareness about the silent killer and one of the leading causes of death for adults in the U.S. But heart disease doesn't just affect us, it can also affect our furry friends.
Joining us today to discuss all things pet heart health is our favorite vet, Dr. Ambika Vaid, who is an advisor to Badlands Ranch. First, how prevalent is heart disease with our pets?
It's very, very common in both dogs and cats. We see it a lot more in small breed dogs than large breed dogs, and we see it a lot in cats as well. They get different types of heart disease, so mitral valve disease is really common in small breed dogs. DCM, dilated cardiomyopathy, is really common in large breed dogs, and HCM, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, is really common in cats.
It's difficult to diagnose, right, as pet parents because
Yeah.
they can't talk to us. So are their symptoms similar to our heart disease symptoms or no?
That's a great question. No. So typically the way that it's diagnosed is on physical exam. They'll come in without any clinical signs, which is why it's so important to get in for those physical exams twice a year. When heart disease progresses to heart failure, that's when we start to see the cough, the exercise intolerance, the pale mucous membranes, the lethargy.
Are there certain breeds that are more prone than others?
Yes, so like I said, the mitral valve disease is really common in small breed dogs. So dachshunds, chihuahuas, malteses, those types of dogs are really going to be our poster children for it. And it's really important as they age to get them in a little bit more frequently.
And other than just, showing up to your pet's exam, what other tips would you offer to people to help prevent heart disease with their pets?
Super common, just like we see in humans, diet, exercise, and nutrition are going to be the most important things for a healthy heart. So when it comes to diet, protein sources like chicken, lamb, and beef all contain L-carnitine. Those are amino acids, super important for the heart. You can add supplements like flaxseed oil, which has omega fatty acids to help with cardiovascular health. When it comes to exercise, regular exercise is super important. So walks twice a day, playtime, and the amount can vary depending on the lifestyle your pet is in. So if you have a younger dog, they're going to get a lot more exercise than an older dog is.
What is the goal for those 2 walks a day? Like, will 10 or 15 minutes
Good
cut
question.
It depends on, again, it depends on the life stage of the dog. I would say kind of feel out your pet. You don't want to overdo it for them either. If you have an older dog, yes, 20 minutes is more than enough. If you have a younger dog, maybe a 20-minute walk plus a lot of playtime at home with puzzle feeders and things like that.
Okay, all right, good information as always, Dr. Vaid. Thank you.
Thank you.